Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do sponsored post on Instagram. Alright, it is basically running an ad to your Instagram post. So basically what you're going to want to do is open up your Instagram app. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and select a post where you want to boost. For example, this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the post. Now as you can see here, there's an option to boost post. There's a big blue button right here. Just go ahead and tap on that and you will be landed to this page. And Instagram will ask you to choose how you'd like to boost on Instagram. Could be with a Facebook ad account if you have Facebook connected to it. Alright. Or without a Facebook ad account. Just for this example, because not everyone has a Facebook ad account, I'm going to select one without a Facebook ad account. Hit on continue. And wait for the process to finish. Alright. It is currently loading our options now. And as you can see here, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? If you want to, you can select you wanted people to visit your profile or visit your specific website or just message you. Alright, as you can see here, the recommended one is set to visit your profile. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select that just for this video. And it will ask you, who do you want to see your ad? So options here is special requirements, suggested audience, and create your own. You can manually enter your targeting options right here when you tap on it, especially the age. You can set the minimum age to whatever you want. Locations, for example, in your specific area alone. And you can use this one right here, which is use Advantage Plus, which automatically finds and updates audiences whenever it's likely to improve performance. You can untick this one if you don't want it. All right, if I were you, I'm just going to leave it as it is, then go back or check if you want to use this option. All right, so I'm just going to use suggested audience right here. Tap on next. Now in here, it will ask you, what is your ad budget? Depends on you if you have the budget. For example, you are willing to pay $1 daily, and you can also set the duration right here. For example, 6 days, 7 days, or 30 days for $1 a day, and it will cost you $30 in 30 days. All right, you can set it to 1 day only, and it will get you an estimated reach about 61 to 160 people. Once done, once you have set your specific budget and duration right here, just go ahead and tap on next. And in the next pages, it will require you to enter your payment method. All right, you can also preview your ad right here when you tap on it. And as you can see, your ad will run in these placements. When you tap on feed, it will show like this. All right, as what we have selected earlier, the visit Instagram profile is highlighted right here. So this is the ones that people who got hit by the ad will most probably tap on or click on. All right, when you go to stories, this one will show. That one. All right, that's basically it. So just go ahead and add a payment method right here. It could be PayPal, your credit or debit card, and simply select your country and region, currency and time zone. Next, enter your card, PayPal. All right, for example here, card. Just go ahead and enter your name on the card number, the month and year, and the CVV. All right, once done, just go ahead and hit on next. All right, and after that, you're going to want to hit on boost post. And from there, your post on Instagram will now be sponsored. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.